Hey everyone, this is Brad on Brad's Food Review. We have a new wrap from Wendy's. It, it's pretty good size wrap. It's a grilled chicken wrap. Has lettuce, a tortilla, cheese, and ranch, of course, and then there is a grilled chicken right here. I'm gonna try one and see how good that is. You can see here. We have one more bite and I'll give you a score. As you can see here. Delicious. I love it. It has a good amount of tortilla and a good amount of grilled chicken. The grilled chicken was delicious. Everything is in that wrap is delicious. I'm going to give this an 8.5 by 10. 8.5 out of 10. I mean, this is really good stuff. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, Brad's Food Review. And that is it. Comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye-bye. Well, thanks for watching this video on my channel. If you like the video, give me a like. Or comment on this video or any other videos I posted. And subscribe to my channel. And it certainly helps me get the views that I'm looking for and do all that good stuff that I send you. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on my next video. Alright, bye bye. Da 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 da